Kelp forests are a fragile and diverse cold water ecosystem found in many different parts of the world. The kelp forests found in the eastern Pacific, known for their tall and abundant kelp, are home to many different species such as sea otters, seals, sea lions, and hundreds of thousands of macroinvertebrates. The kelp found in these ecosystems play a significant role in providing the native species with protection from weather, predators, as well as a place to live. But the kelp are not only irreplaceable to the plants and animals that rely on them, but they also play a massive role for us humans as they use photosynthesis to live, a process in which plants convert carbon dioxide or CO2, a harmful greenhouse gas, into oxygen. The speed at which kelp grows, accompanied with the fact that there are an average 10 kelp plants per square meter in these kelp forests, make these plants vital to combating the climate crisis. Marine microalgae, such as kelp, on average displaces more than 600 million tons of CO2 annually. This is equivalent to 2% of our carbon emissions. Kelp forests are so beneficial to the environment that if we hurt them, we are not only hurting the plants and animals that rely on them, but we are also hurting ourselves. Thank you.
Kelp forests are threatened by many different human impacts, such as climate change, pollution, commercial harvesting, and overfishing. Overfishing is the greatest and most manageable recurring problem in kelp forests. Over 900 kilograms of seafood and fish are harvested from the kelp forests a year. Fishing in these kelp areas causes a decrease of fishes that are essential to the ecosystem. Overfishing has brought down the number of predatory fishes, lobsters, and sea otters, leading to an outbreak of sea urchins invading the kelp forest and eating it all, keeping them from regrowing. Climate change is also another major factor affecting the growth and the future of kelp forests. Since 1980, the increase in marine heat waves has drastically increased by double in the recent 2021 reports. The warm water leads to a loss of cold-adapted species in the kelp forest that also affects how the kelp grows back. How do we help these kelp forests?
Kelp forests have been seriously damaged over the years, and it is up to us to save them. A big way we can help these forests is limiting the amount of herbivores like the sea urchins. There are also been a decrease in the otter and lobster population, which has a big impact because they're predators of sea urchins. A way we can help these things is to donate our time and money to the Kelp Forest Challenge. This challenge is a plan to restore 1 million hectares and protect 3 million hectares of kelp forest by 2040. With the help of 252 different kelp experts, we can help these forests. By making this challenge, it will push people to see the issue with kelp forests and how urgent it is to help them. Another way we can help these forests is to encourage high school students and college students to study fields having to do with helping and preserving kelp forests. Overfishing also has a huge negative impact on kelp forests. A way we can prevent overfishing is to strengthen our fisheries management. These fisheries are possible with strong, forward-thinking management by government agencies. These fisheries will be able to set catch limits and allow populations to remain abundant and fish populations to recover.
There are many ways you can protect the Hope Spot in the ocean. California state government needs to be a big part of this. They will need to put boundaries in the area and put fines for people who enter the restricted waters, as well as additional fines or even arrests or felony charges if they are fishing, hunting, or farming the kelp in the area, as well as the animals. Awareness to the endangerment of the kelp forest is needed. So in order for people to know about the spot, the towns should put around signs, such as this, to get awareness done from the area. The water has to be restricted, so signs like that need to be used to keep the people out. There can never be enough awareness for the forest either, so we can convince businesses around the area to put up signs like keep out of the restricted zones, or just signs of awareness for the kelp forests outside or inside the shops. That would be a big help for the awareness factor. Thank you.